On my wedding day, my fiancé Jack did not show up because his lover Rose was not feeling well. When I held back my tears and was ready to leave, I heard a man behind me say his bride did not show up, but today he must marry someone. I took a deep breath and stepped forward.
Your fiancé didn't come. My fiancé left me. So why don't we get married instead?
He slowly took off his sunglasses, looked me up and down and said,
Okay, let's go.
He grabbed my hand. We walked down the aisle together, and under the witness of the priest, we exchanged rings. We officially became husband and wife. I told him, let's not tell anyone about this marriage. I will not see another man. He agreed, but he said we must live together. When I got back to the car, I looked at the ring on my hand. I couldn't stop smiling. At that time, I had no idea he was the billionaire bachelor Mike. Suddenly, Jack called me. He asked me to pretend to be Rose and take her place at a show. He kept begging me, and finally, I agreed. The night before the wedding,